Chart of looking for house stuff like this and buy, and then we're gonna put a market so he can leverage and get some more buyer investor, and also he can help out. Did you want to come in or somebody?
No, they
Okay, good. And you know, Kamisa Taylor, she takes some of my workshop. How was my workshop, Kamisa Taylor?
Phenomenal. Great workshop. I learned a lot. When we, my first workshop I did from you, we pretty much worked on the mindset.
Mm-hmm.
It was a mindset. So we did a lot of entering our, just whatever we were going through, we released it in that session.
Mm-hmm.
And we put it all out there. So it was a good session. It was just refreshing.
Mm-hmm.
You know, good stuff.
Is she doing good? Some from you got from. Did you when you came to me? How many members you have, and now how many you have now?
I was just starting my coaching program.
Mm-hmm.
So it was like, I probably had about 15 students at the time.
Mm-hmm.
So we scaled it up, met like 100 students plus.
You heard that? She got that very good.
It's good stuff.
That's good stuff. Yeah, good.
Yeah.
We gotta do for
I'm
you the
Davey,
home.
901 Davey, y'all.
Yeah,
901
she
Davey.
remember.
901 Davey.
She remember that. She remember what's up. I just do a video here, and we're gonna do walk through the house just for y'all, and we can send it out to a contractor that can do it. You want to show us around?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
And
It's
I'm
an
gonna
as
put
is
it
deal, so it's
yeah.
not gonna be prettier, guys.
Right.
It's not gonna be pretty. But we need an investor to come in and see past the uglies.
Mm-hmm.
So we got this is the living room.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We've got a 4-bedroom here. It's a huge house. Huge bedroom. So we gotta get it cleaned out. This is another bedroom closet. You got your
Get
furnace
some
in there that
mold,
needs
all
to be
that stuff.
replaced.
So this is one bedroom right here.
This is a bedroom.
How many total bedroom we have
4
here?
bedroom.
4?
2 baths. Yes. This
This
is the
is
dining
kitchen.
room.
Dining room right here.
This is an add-on room.
Look at
There's
something you can do
add-on
like
here.
this. How much repair? We got to estimate about 20,000.
Yeah. So this is a
See
master.
if we can do better or cheaper or higher, you know.
Master bedroom.
And see how much you think you can sell it out for.
You got your washroom here.
So this is Eric's job. He kind of find a deal like this and list it on the market. That's what I do.
This tile, it's different.
This is pure and stick.
And this is a huge master bedroom. I mean bathroom. So that's nice.
kitchen area.
You got your kitchen area. To your right, you got another bedroom.
Foundation. Wall here.
There. Yeah, to your left is another bathroom. And so renovation in here. And then this is another huge bedroom. So the renovation that I actually got on Minor is what he had in mind is he's gonna
Short-term
see it's so
rental.
weird. So in order to even get through the kitchen, you gotta go through a bedroom.
Mm.
So what he planned on doing is taking this wall down
Mm-hmm.
and taking this wall down, and so therefore you can go straight to the kitchen.
Oh,
That's
okay.
included into the $20,000 rehab budget.
So how you going to do it? Take the wall down?
Take the wall down.
How you going to make this a bedroom?
So then you're gonna make it an entryway into the kitchen. So you see how you gotta, and he's gonna put up a wall here.
Well, we're here. Uh-huh.
Yeah. So wall here, door. Knock this wall down.
How you going to do the closet
Yep,
in
go
this?
through the closet, straight entry through here.
So how you going to put the closet here?
He's gonna remove the closet back over towards that way somewhere.
Hmm.
Yep.
And he good at it? I want to look at his
So
job.
new roof. The only thing that's not included into the $20,000 rehab is the AC unit, because he feels that since it might be disabled,
Mm-hmm.
there's one still there. So
Mm-hmm.
if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't.
But he going to be putting back the new carpet and all that?
So the only
New
thing,
carpet and paint?
only carpet going into is bedroom. Everywhere else, you got vinyl floor, gray vinyl floor. So the whole house is gonna be gray and white. He's gonna give it that scope of like that new HGTV style of, you know, that gray and white everybody was going for.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
I may thought him he can get a project on it and see what he can say, what he can do on that stuff.
So
This is a good one. Look at this neighborhood. It could be a great short term. Let me wait and see what he got on it, and I'll send you and let you know the price we can do, you know?
Alright.
So if he do good on it, I'm gonna throw them in and see if investing on it. This is a good solid house. So thank you, y'all.